Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen, and today I am making coriander chutney. Coriander chutney is very beneficial for everyone, especially for thyroid who suffer from thyroid. They can eat this chutney, which is very beneficial for them, and also having iron, vitamins and minerals. It is very good for health. It is very cool for your stomach, is comfortable your stomach, and it is very beneficial for those who having weight loss. They also eat this chutney because we don't need oil in it. We don't put in oil and any other tadka, so it is very healthy. It is make very 4 to 5 ingredients, that much only we need, and the chutney is ready. Very tasty, must try recipe. So let's get start to make coriander chutney. In coriander, a little medium size of coriander bunch, and I have cleaned the leaves with water. Don't get steam of coriander, and it add to jar. Then take cumin seeds first, which is roasted. Then add 2 to 3 cloves of garlic and red chilli and salt according to your taste, and half lemon juice and little water to in jar, and make chutney. If you want to add sugar or jaggery in this chutney, you can add. I am not adding this. I make this chutney healthy. If you want for taste, you can add, and the chutney is ready. If you like this recipe of coriander chutney or green chutney, then share it with your family and friends. And if you don't subscribe, to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.